Did you know that you can change the icons for your Slack status? Let me show you how. Once you click your profile on the lower left hand side, you will also see it shows an icon. And again, if you also look over your status, you will see the icon show as well. So as you can see right now, it's showing that my status is recording. I'm going to click on it and click on my status there to edit it. Now, right here, you can see the icon clearly. So that is someone like speaking. But if I wanted to use something related to recording, I can go ahead and set that. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the icon, and here you have the option to change it. So I can search for camera or record. So I can type the word record and see what appears there. And yeah, I could use this option here for recording. So I can choose this. And let's say I'm recording, I click on save, and you can see that it's now showing somewhat of a relating icon to my status. So yeah, if you're planning on changing your status and want to be more creative, you can go ahead and you can set meaningful icons to your status in Slack. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.